Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture on Deno JS. And in this lecture, we are going to move the Mongo DB client code into separate file, and I am going to create new folder here. Going to create new folder. Folder name is DB. Under DB, I am creating one file called databases.ts file. .ts file. I am copying all this code from here to databases.ts file. We have moved all our code from main.ts file to databases.ts file. I'm exporting this module default. I'm exporting DB outside so that we can access DB outside. Copy this code. Now, if you see here main.ts file, we don't have any code interacting with database head. We have separated into database.ts. Now, let's go to the user controller. User controller, whenever user call get function, this here we are returning the users, which is hard coded. Instead of that, I am going to return from database. Import. Let's import the db from slash. I have to go back one more place, slash db slash databases.ts file. From here I have importing, and now I have created one constant. After that, what I will do, I will get the data. Const user, I will call it as user, equal to users dot find, get all the users from the database. And this is not a direct call. Here we need to wait for the response. We have to call it as await. Hence this is await function. We need to put as async. We are waiting for the response. Once the response comes from the MongoDB, we are writing into the response of body, returning user here. Let's stop the server. Again start it. It is compiling. Once compilation is successful, we will see console.log server is up. This will be printed in console.log. The server is up now. Let's go to the postman and call get function with users, because when you call users, control goes to request goes to router.ts file. Router.ts file, we have specified users. When users comes, then from controller get function will be invoked. Here get function will be invoked, and a get function internally communicates to the database. From DB, it finds the all the users from the DB and write the users into the response body. Yes, we are getting the users, and we got two records, because if you go and check for in MongoDB how many records are present, refresh, we have two records. I will delete one record, again hit the API, we will get only one record. If you update here, instead of user one, I can make it as h update. Location I am going to update as Bangalore. Update it. Document is updated. Again hit the API. Now we will get as Sud and Bangalore. Okay friends, this lecture what we have learned, have moved DB related things to db.ts file, all the database connect, and in the controller.js file it is communicating to the DB and getting the users from the database. Thank you. Upcoming lectures we will see few more APIs implementation.